Yeah, man. Peace. Welcome back. Don't know say I saw it roll, eh? Yeah. Want to say hi to everybody around the world, see? Big up on yourself. Check it out in Jamaica, yeah? Make sure you watch this so you can see what's going on down here. So we have a lot of things we're going to send to you guys all over the world. See? Yeah, man, enough respect. So remember, we have everything around. Just to make you comfortable in Jamaica. We have a good tour. The best. The red stripe, the sunshine, and the good ganja. Don't forget that. Yeah. Yeah, man. For real. Later on you see me roll another one, yeah? This is where it happens. If you want to have a good time in Jamaica, you have to find here, Sexy Rexy. And twice on Sundays. You know that's where it's good. Give you a tour to the airport, pick up, drop off, tour Black River, Appleton, YS, Duns River, Bob Marley, Memorial, Museum, Port Antonio, go to Bad Fountain, go to the tallest falls called Reach Fall. You can always get that tour. Greetings to all my friends, to the world. Saying, yeah, to the world. You see me saying? That's how we do it. So we take a look, we ride on the water too. But this is where we got the sunset, yeah? So you can always come see me and get the sunset. See me saying? Yeah. And the best food, best sunset, the best ganja. Yeah, smoke a big one, fat. Smoke the chalice, it's good. Yeah. Now we have to cross the road. You should pick me up on the satellite to crossing this road. Yeah, from there to here. They always get me. So come on down, check it out. Make it a date and don't be late. Yeah. You can get anything you want right here. Best in the business. Sexy Rexy. Don't forget. Check it out. Yeah.
Excuse me while I light my spirits. Oh God.